The Rera Para Community and Rural Development Block hosted the Vikasit Bharat Sankalp Yatra in Garobadha. The event shed light on various government schemes aimed at fostering agricultural growth, saturation of government scheme and rural prosperity. Under the vast canopy of initiatives, the focus was on key programs like PM Kisan, Soil Health Card, Natural Farming and Kisan Credit Card (KCC). Farmers and stakeholders from the region gathered at the venue to gain insights into these schemes, fostering a sense of agricultural empowerment. The Megha Health Insurance Scheme and Pradhan Mantri Jan Arogya Yojana took centre stage, emphasizing the importance of health and well-being in rural communities. Attendees actively participated in the Ayushman registration. Embracing the assurance of health coverage, Nerila R. Marak, a local farmer, shared her positive experience with the Pradhan Mantri Kisan Card, expressing gratitude for the financial aid.
Basak ba hajar gani tak ke mana bersih chang tham tak ke
Pradhan Mantri Matru Bandana Yojana ni kita pregnant first pregnant orang na harus second mother na hajar tu tak ke mana ya, jadi